Welcome to Cassia Naturals. Welcome to hair tutorials. Healthy lifestyle, flawless skin, DIY. Welcome to Cassia Naturals tutorials. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. Welcome to hair tutorials. Healthy. Hello dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 ways on how to make clove for thinning hair and growing back your edges. If you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. To my 378 subscribers, thank you so much dear friends for your love and your support. So you can actually find clove in Indian shops or any herb shops near your area or in supermarkets. They are easily found. So clove has been an important part of Ayurveda and traditional medicine to cure various problems. Benefits of clove contains high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add a growth and strengthen your hair. It will also protect the scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Clove also contains an inflammatory agent which further help in hair thickening. It helps to reduce hair fall too. With the presence of vitamin K in clove, there's better circulation, which stimulates hair to grow. It treats dandruff, flakes, and relieve the itch associated with it due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It also prevents the graying of hair due to its antioxidants. The compound eugenol found in clove helps to promote hair growth. When applied to the roots, it can also repair, strengthen, and add a healthy shine to the hair shaft when applied regularly. So clove has powerful antiseptic and fungal properties. They can help get your hair to grow very well and prevent any damage or dandruff or seborrheic dermatitis. So the first way is actually, to put, you get some warm water, of course, hot water actually, 99% hot water, and then you put your clove and then add your water, hot water, and let it simmer for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and it will start changing the color to brownish, as you can see. So this method is also effective. As you can see, the water has started changing actually, as you can see. Subscribe to our channel, friends, if you haven't. If you want to be seeing more of such videos, then consider subscribing. So it's been 20 minutes and our clove has changed to brown color, as you can see. So at this point, it's ready. So clove will actually combat dryness of your hair and scalp by infusing moisture. It will strengthen the hair follicles. It promotes growth. It reduces hair fall. It repairs hair follicles. Reduces hair thinning, increases shine in hair. So now, I love putting sprays in spray bottles because they're very convenient. Like it's very easy actually to apply it on the scalp and on your edges, and that is how it looks like. So that is the first method. It's very effective actually. So give this video a like and comment in the section below, and share this video to friends whom you think they can benefit, and in groups where they can benefit. So I love how it looks like. It's so lovely. Whatever God made is so beautiful. So the second method, we've gotten 50 grams of our clove, as you can see. And we are going to infuse it in water for 5 days. You can even go for, weeks. Yes. And you will find that your clove will be hairspray will be so concentrated. So we are pouring in lukewarm water. So this water is not cold, neither is it hot. Yes, friends. So just normal water actually, and we are going to let it sit for 5 days. So that is how it looks like, before leaving it on for overnight. Yes, and we have closed it. Make sure that you close it tightly so that there are no bacteria which can actually penetrate your product. So it's been 5 days, friends. Look at that. Like our clove hairspray actually has infused so well. Look at that color, it's so concentrated. And it's just that you can't see the flowers, like they look washed out. So we are now going to put it in a small spray bottle. You can even preserve it or store it in the fridge. So friends, as you may be aware, like your hair is your natural crown, and it deserves to be treated so as such. Our second method is ready. So those are the two ways of making cloud for your thinning hair or thinning edges. So I'm going to use it on my edges. So actually, you can use it on your edges for at least, um, once per week or two times in a week, and stop manipulating your hair or doing high maintenance or pulling your edges. You have to make sure that you are protecting your edges from, thinning out by not manipulating them with styles that pull on your edges, or scarves, tying your scarf tightly. You have to be very gentle with anything. So like if you've been on this channel, I do low manipulation hairstyles which do not wreak havoc on my edges, because I've been trying to grow out my edges and my edges have improved so well, and by using different kinds of natural remedies. So clove is one of them that will promote hair growth, and I've used aloe, onion, like quite a number of them, and I'm going to link the videos that I've done in the description box below. So once you are done applying, you have to make sure that you massage. I love doing this because massaging your scalp will promote blood flow to the scalp, hence promoting hair growth. So I massage for at least 5 minutes. Then after that, I'm going to go in with uh, our oil. Actually, I did a video yesterday on how you can make this oil with 9 natural ingredients. I'll link that video in the description box below. So like this oil is loaded with different kinds of herbs, and one oil which actually promote hair growth, which is so nourishing. Yes, so it also contains fenugreek, rosemary, and many other herbs. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. God bless you. See you in our next video.